write bitpaper.io in the browser, and this will bring you to the collaborative whiteboard, and create this. Use a title and press create paper. Then this window will open. This is tutorial video, so if you don't want to see this, close this window. This is our whiteboard. Here you can write with this pen tool anything freely. Even you can write mathematical equations. And if you want to draw a straight line, for that, this is ruler. Press this tool and draw a straight line. You can use these straight lines even to draw a figure. For example, right now I am drawing a rectangle. You can even use different colors from this color tools. Select the color and draw another straight line in red color. You can even write freely with different colors as well. And if you find any kind of error, you can use eraser tool to erase that. And if you want to select, this is select tool. You can select with this anything on the whiteboard, and then you can move that anywhere. And if you need some extra space on the whiteboard, this is move tool. You can move the page of the whiteboard to create extra space to write on. There are geometrical figure tools. You can draw any geometrical figure from this selection. Right now I am going to draw a star in a rectangle that will give me a beautiful diagram. And even you can draw triangles and different colors of other figures, cylinder. You can use type text tool to write or type anything with different size of the, so you can use different font size, and with the help of select tool you can move this anywhere. Right now I am moving it on the top left corner. And even with the help of this text tool you can write mathematical equations. The formula of the cylinder is pi r square h. You can select any worksheet or file from your computer to explain on the whiteboard. This is the way of selecting that file. It will upload on the whiteboard. Once it is uploaded on the whiteboard, you can move or resize its size, and okay, you can move it anywhere. And with the help of pen tool, you can write or draw any line on this worksheet. For example, right now I want to show the perimeter of this shaded region. And with the help of some arrows, I can write the name of that area. You can even draw a grid lines on the whiteboard. You can share this whiteboard with any person. Just create the link and copy the link and paste this link anywhere in your email or on your WhatsApp group. Right now I am sending this link to this person. Paste link over here and then press the enter. Once that person receives this link and that person clicks the link, so this will bring you the whiteboard and that person will see this whiteboard.